do. Wow, I don't think they're in. That's a real shame. I guess if they're not in, then I might as well look at the parcel because they won't mind. Oh look, it's an extremely expensive designer sunglasses. Oh, I better take them. Do.
Oh.
Wow, that's a cool noise!
Hello?
Hi, I've got a really important parcel for you.
Can you just leave it on the front door, please?
Yeah?
Bye.
Thanks very much.
Bye. So the last thing we expect to be smart is your doorbell. So this is the Ring Video Doorbell. It is a smart doorbell that connects to your home router via Wi-Fi, which can be viewed anywhere around the world if you have an internet connection. So with the Ring Video Doorbell, every time it detects motion or every time it gets pressed, it starts recording a video with audio and streams to a smart device. This can be accessed anywhere around the world and can be saved to Ring's cloud network, which is £20, £25 a year or £3 a month. If you want, so you get a 30-day free trial if you want this service. You don't have to have it, but then you won't have any of your recordings saved. One of the appealing things for Ring to me was the easy setup. There's two ways of doing it: via hardwire with your old existing doorbell or battery. So I'm doing it by battery. You just plug it in with micro USB, charge it up overnight, and it lasts around a month or so. So Spike, what I've just told you, would you be interested in the Ring doorbell?
Yes, it sounds really good.